Hello everyone, just thought I'd show you a couple things in the garden here. The first thing is going to be, my wife read online that peppers and tomatoes in pots enjoy water that's had bananas soaking in them for a couple days, so I'd give that a try. I put some down already. So, this is the jar here. It's been soaking, it's probably been in there 4 or 5 days. And I think the plant I'm going to go with is this one here. Seems like it needs a little something. It's got a few coming on here, but just a few there. And I had used it on this one. And I swear the next day all these tomatoes were starting to come up. Maybe coincidence, maybe not. But anyway, for reference, this is what the plant looks like right now. So I'm going to go ahead and give this maybe a few of the next jars of bananas. I eat like 2 bananas a day, so I always have plenty of banana peels. Let me go ahead and pour that in there, and I will let you guys know how that goes. Okay, got that poured in there. I just compost the rest of the banana peel when I'm done. The other thing I'm going to be doing today is harvesting some stuff. First thing I'm going to harvest is a zucchini. This plant is really starting to take off. We're going to have more than we need. This one almost looks like it got too big. Could maybe harvest that one, but don't need it, so we'll give it another day. And got some more in there that are going to be ready any day now. I also have this cucumber plant that was completely useless in the beginning and had about 30 die. It's really starting to take off now, so harvested one yesterday. Another one down here to harvest. Pull that off. This, I have no idea what variety this is, but they're damn near white. I ate one yesterday and it was just okay, so don't think I'll be growing this again. This one's close. We'll go ahead and move that on. I think that's it on this plant. Okay, yep, so that's it on this plant. Just a quick update on these melons. Getting big fast. Anyway, this isn't a garden update video. So I also have another cucumber here. Appears to be the same variety. I'll pull that off. These are just popping right off. That one, probably leave on a little bit longer. I believe that's it on this plant. Okay. I actually have a storm cloud coming in. Because the last thing I'm going to be harvesting is a bunch of my carrots. So these have been ready for a long time, and I always thought you could leave these in the ground, but do they get bitter if they stay in too long? If anybody could let me know on that, that'd be appreciated. And I'm going to go and dig up a bunch of these and show you what I got, and I'll be using them for my hot sauce I make later on in the year. So I think I'm just going to cut them up and freeze them. Guess I'll leave them fresh. I don't know if you're supposed to blanch them first before you freeze them or not, but I'd like to save them for my hot sauce. But once I get those dug up, I'll show you what I got. Alright, going to dig up these carrots now and see what we got hiding under here. So let's see what we got. go. Here's the first one. Another one. Those look good. These were growing way too close to each other, but it's pretty impressive for... No, that was not very good. Got split root. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dig up the rest of these, and I will come back to you and show you what I got. Okay, so here's the harvest for today. It's not much, but the warm weather vegetables are just now starting to get good. Got nice zucchini here, a couple cucumbers, a whole bunch of carrots. That's almost half of them, probably a little less than half of what I had out in the garden, but don't need that many. So I think we're going to skin them, dice them, freeze them, get them ready for the hot sauce come August, September, whenever those are ready to go. So thanks for watching the video. I'm going to add on a video here at the end of a little friend that visited our garden overnight, and I will talk to everyone later. Thanks.